Meatpacking plants closing all across the country and putting a huge strain on our food supply chain. Here in the Valley, some workers calling on their bosses to do the same amid fears of contracting coronavirus. ABC 15's Mike Pelton outside the JBS beef plant in Tolleson with their concerns tonight.
Well, employees we talked to feel they're at risk of catching coronavirus, and they want improved working conditions at the JBS beef plant here in Tolleson. And tonight, some of those employees still gathered there along 91st Avenue, as more than a dozen of them walking across the street from the plant to share concerns with us today. They tell us they have had co-workers fall ill, and they are calling on JBS to close down the plant for 2 weeks while still paying workers to ensure it is properly disinfected and there is no outbreak at this facility. Now, a national workers union just last week counting 13 meat processing facilities across the country that have had to close at some point in the past 2 months. And workers here in Tolleson hoping this plant gets added to the list.
We are very scared, enough to risk our livelihoods. We are trying to make some noise and get attention. We need to get paid. I have kids, but if we can do just a little bit for those people who were infected, we will.
Now, experts say closures of meatpacking plants nationally is putting a strain on the supply of meat that is able to make it to the grocery stores. While this JBS plant in Tolleson remains open, I asked a corporate representative about any positive COVID-19 cases here. That person tells me they have had team members test positive for coronavirus in the United States, but not answering my questions specific to this plant here in Tolleson. We are in Tolleson tonight. Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.